Hello, my name is Richard C. Wilson, and between my companies, we have 15 full-time employees. And here at investorclub.com, we offer cash flowing, tax efficient, and income focused investments through our secure investment portal. We do not invest in startups. We don't go into venture capital. We don't do angel investor deals. We are focused on things which are already making money and are proven revenue generators and are US based. We are a conservative investor club in that nature. We also have spent 14 years hosting 150 plus investment conferences and workshops and meeting with over 3,000 investors in person. And from all those meetings, we have learned that we should only offer one type of structure to our investors in investorclub.com, and that is a profit share. There's no fee to join. If you want to sign up today, it takes just 5 minutes. You can get started right now. There's no fee to join, no fee to invest. There's no annual fees. The only fee is really a profit share. So we make money only when you make money, and it's netted out across your investments. So if you do two investments or more with us, and let's say one investment does lose money, then we can't take a profit share from you on one investment rolling forward while you lose money on another. That's different than every other firm in Wall Street that I've ever heard of. You have to be making an overall profit on the investments you've done through us. Otherwise, we don't get a profit share because you're not getting a net profit share across the investments you sourced through investorclub.com. So if you'd like to get started and join our community of hundreds and hundreds of investors here, please fill out this front page form, which takes about 10 seconds, and then you'll be shown our profit sharing agreement to become a member, and then a 3-minute survey that if you complete will get you full access to our investment platform. So I hope you get started today, and we'll see you in there soon.